I like seeing Ali floating in the air because she always looks so shocked because I'm holding her up in the air, right? But she knows that she's sitting on her nest, so she's like, "What the hell am I doing up here? Why is my nest up here? What's going on? What's going on?" She gets nervous about it. Oop, don't trip over your eggs, babe. Oh, well, I gotta go because she's gonna have a poo. This is what I usually have to do every time she gets off of her nest. Follow behind her, and then put tissue underneath her bum so that she can have a poo. I think she just did have a poo. See, I knew she was a magician's dove. She has like magical poos, magical quick poos. She's already had it. That was really. She's having it. There we go. I caught it for you. There you go. And I'll take it, put it in with the others. And I'll clean it off in a second. Oh, sorry, sweetie. Yep, I forgot your nest just over here. Let me get it back for you. Here we go. You just move it over your head very gently. I'll put it down there for you. Let me go down to it. There we go. There you go, sweetie. Make sure your eggs are okay. Sorry, sweetie. There you go. And she wants you all to have a lovely afternoon. See you later, sweetie.